What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Starbase Wraps. If you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now. Today we have a 2025 Tesla Model Y. I'm going to be doing a full Geoshield C2 ceramic tint, a vinyl wrap and a ceramic coating. This video is just a ceramic tint. I'll have another video on the wrap and ceramic coating. So we're even doing the windshield on this one. Brand new car. I love working on new cars because they're not filthy. It's going to be awesome. So let's go ahead and get started. And if you're subscribed to the channel, you already know we start every job with a Celsius strawberry lemonade. That's my favorite flavor. So we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna get caffeinated, and we're gonna do an outstanding job. We're striving for perfection on this tint. It's for my wife's friend, so I wanna do a really good job, make my wife happy, you know how that goes. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Oh man, the bird was in the garage. Yeah, that bird's a Tesla fan right there. Yeah. And I'm just getting my tint keg set up here. I'm using a CR Spotless deionized water. It's a specialized filtration system for car washing so you don't get mineral deposits. We also have an inline filter. That way we can reduce any chances of getting little bubbles. This is factory tint, but if you ever see tint with like little small, looks like a measles outbreak on the window, it's probably because they were not cleaning it properly or just using regular tap water. So I like to strive for perfection. All right, so we'll go ahead and see what this factory glass is right here. Okay, not bad. It's about 80 on the front window. And 20 on the rear window. So what I'm gonna do is put a 75% over this and then a 20% over this. It'll be like 3% off. The back will be a little darker, but the human eye can't really distinguish between like 5-ish%. So it's gonna look perfectly matched all around. And then we're gonna go with the clear 75% ceramic on the windshield too. So we'll go ahead and get started. All right, and then this is my Icon under hood light mount. I use this to shine the back of the window so I can see where the border of the glass is. And it's got like a rubberized hook on it, that way it's not gonna mess up the paint. So that just goes on right there. And then the magnets are adjustable too, so I can kind of fine tune that. Go ahead and put these seats down, that way I can see in there. 44 inches of film. So this is just a rough shape. I'm gonna shrink the film like this, and then once it's shrunk, I'll make my final cut. All right, so on the front doors, I put a microfiber in here and then also tape. I never close the doors until I'm absolutely done, because if this window is gonna be tricked, so it's gonna be up. So if you shut the door while the window's all the way up, you're gonna break the glass. I don't wanna break the glass, but that's why I leave the doors open all the time anyway. But this is a fail safe too, because that would be the worst. You know, a customer is excited about their car, and then you're like, oh, it broke your glass, whoops. So that's never gonna happen. So I'm gonna go ahead and be safe and tint this front window. here's our edges right here. The top is really good. Once I get it plotted, it'll feel that little thing. But that's a wrap for this 2025 Tesla Model Y with a full Geoshield C2 ceramic tint. We did 75% on the windshield, 20 on the front door windows, and since it had factory tint, we put 75 over that. That way everything looks nice and even. You can see it right there. Looks really good, so I'll walk you around real quick so you can see the tint. All right. So you can see that there. There's absolutely no contamination. It's like some dust or something. But yeah, there are no bubbles or contamination in any of this tint right here. Go around to the back window. Yeah, it came out absolutely perfect. That's just some dust right there. But yep. Perfect. A little piece of hair or something. I've got huskies, so I get dog hair all over the place. Yeah, that came out really good. Yeah, it's just some more dust. I'm gonna fully detail this thing tomorrow to wrap it, so it'll be a lot cleaner. And then, man, that windshield came out perfect. Absolutely perfect. And I just wanna show on my tint meter too that this stuff actually works. So here we go. 92.4% IRR on the front window, that's really good. And we're at 18.2. And then on the rear windows, we're at 96.5 at 16. So only 2% difference between the two. but you know, the human eye can't really distinguish more than 5%. Cool, so if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Check out starbasewraps.com if you're in the Las Vegas area. You can send me an email, ben@starbasewraps.com, if you want a ceramic window tint, a vinyl wrap, or paint protection film for your Tesla. So thank you so much for watching. The next video will be a full wrap and ceramic coating with G-Technic Halo. We're gonna do it in this nice Avery Dennison red color right here. So this gray is gonna turn into this red right here starting tomorrow. So we will catch you on the next video. Thanks for watching.